Hey y'all, here I am at almost 4 a.m. recording this for you guys, but I have been teaching people about the law of attraction for a while now, and I noticed that a lot of people are actually blocking their own progress, and I want to talk about that in this episode here. People that are talking negative along with your positive, the negative will cancel out your law of attraction for what you want. Law of attraction is always working for us. We are just using it to our advantage now. But watch what you say. When you say, I am abundant, I am walking in financial freedom, I am receiving good things today, make sure to not say negative things and turn around and say, oh, I'm never going to get this, or I'm never going to have this, or I'll never have a house, or I'll never have enough money. Don't do that. Make sure that your words are aligned with what you want. Practice it. If you do have a negative thought or words come out, say, I cancel that, and replace it with another positive affirmation. We will never be able to be perfect at this, and remember our subconscious mind has a big role to play in this, because we have years and years and years, depending on how old you are, of programming from other sources. Our family, friends, when we were children, the school system, whatever. I will put a link in this video. I have some subliminals that I've made, and the ones I use, I have a playlist, and these will help you. Just play them on a loop low while you're doing whatever. Your subconscious mind will pick it up, and it will help to reprogram your mind to positive, to a more positive way, so you can attract more easily. They're short little videos. None of them are too long, but you can just play it in a loop, like I said, even while you're sleeping. I use a lot of these while I'm sleeping on a loop, and that's when our minds are most at rest and will pick up the subliminal messages. If you turn it up high enough, you can hear the messages in it. They're all positive, geared towards attracting abundance and good things into your life. With that being said, I just wanted to talk about this warning and to help you guys a little further along in your manifestations. I hope today brings you great blessings. You are greatly loved. Please like, subscribe, and share. And I'll talk to you again soon. Happy manifesting, and have a fantastic day.